Here to talk about salvage parts. In some cases, motorcycles may go down, or you may install a new part or an aftermarket part, and therefore you're left with a stock or original equipment part which is used but is still in good condition. These are what you call salvage parts. For instance, some of these plastic components that were on a CBR 1000, they just have minor scratches on them, but cosmetically, and they function fine, they're not broken, and therefore would make a great salvage piece to try to resell or reuse. So again, it's basically just examining the component, making sure that it still functions, structurally it's sound, and you may have a product that you could reuse or salvage and that someone else may need out there or have a use for. Obviously, there are some parts that certainly you wouldn't reuse or that are just destroyed to the point where they are not safe to use and should not be salvaged. That would be something that would have to be decided by either your dealer or common sense.